Yo, Super A-Core, tara na Crisaldo Mirasol, game time na to Bounce, dribble, shoot, score Follow like shit mga friend Para mapanood ng mga friends, no Dribble left, dribble right Fast break, nahilap sa spotlight Crowd so hype, naririnig ang cheer Basketball time, panalo is near Pass it quick, walang delay Spin move, counts over, swag and play Jump shot, 3-point, energy taas Super A, ibababaon pa mas mataas Super A, ang nag-court, tumatakbo ako Lakat-lakat lang dito sa side Super A moves, mga players ang bumagagat Awat langit skies Spotlight, halagrin lahat Basketball, magic film ang corporate Follow like, share, lagi ha Para mapanood ng mga fans niyo Mga video ko, defense strong Di ka makakalusot kahit sino Fast break, coming run sila, go 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 Rebound king sila, slamming down ang gusto Super A, Crisaldo Mirasol, lift cover para sa inyo Lights, camera, action play Bawat highlight naka-display Bounce the ball, hear the crowd roar Mga players ang pinapanalo sa bawat laban Super A, on the court, tumatakbo Lakat-lakat lang dito sa side Super A, that's like a players ang bumagagot Awat langit skies Spotlight, halagrin lahat Basketball, magic film ang corporate Follow like, share, lagi ha Para mapanood ng mga friends nyo Mga video ko Bounce, shoot,
Under 2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining in the game clock.
Super A, Crisaldo Mirasol
And
Bawat
Dr.
laro
Martinez
ibibigay
gets
ko
full
pa
of reach off back to Martinez. Martinez
Mga viewers dito sama-sama tayong bigay Para like, share mga plays Score I'm Super A on the court Tumatakbo ako, lakad-lakad lang dito sa side Super A moves, mga players ang bumagagoy Abot langit sky Pag-fight, kaya drill lahat
Score po natin 19-13 in favor of Insanity. Domination 22 seconds. Remaining time po natin para sa first quarter.
And so we saw power number 143. Shabby in the pick up his personal foul. First team ball. In and out of Bruce. One of two. Under 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining on the game clock. And Snarkula does more running down. Pass to Arno. Inside pass to Angelo. Angelo now dropping. Ball pass. Runs on to Martinez, roping. Save the ball, forward passes Sorbito from there. Sorbito for 3. Under 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining on the game clock. It's not to Anya. Beyond that. It's not to Arabella to David. Back to Arabella. Forward pass. Ito, inside pass, bombing, attacking on the wall primes. Save the ball. Ano ba ang substitution? Nakla ball prima. Last 1 minute exactly on the game clock. The first quarter of action just now the pass on the mouth prize. But do ibabay Angelo. So Michel. Foul by number Manek team pick up his personal foul. First team foul.
Score po natin 23-16 in favor of Insanity. 48.67 seconds sa first quarter. Score 48. Score po natin 23-16. Alonica.
Last 48 seconds remaining on the game clock.
Shoutout po sa mga bagong pasok po. Share po ng ating live para maraming makapanood sa inyong mga kaibigan sa pamilya po. Easy 3 points. May Onyo. Score po natin 23-20. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan mga nakablock.
Down to 3-point lead by the defending champ. Where's out to Kanawa Boys? No. Rebound by Arambulo Otomo. Block pass to Isleta. Oh, it's a opening shot. Last 15 seconds. No more shot clock. Yung shot clock is over.
Mahabol kaya kalamangan ng
Oyong Pangalo. Last 5 seconds. And the first quarter of action.
end of the first quarter. Score po natin 23-20. Baba sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng nakablock. Second quarter na po tayo. Yun, shoutout po. Magandang gabi po mga idol. Yun. So once again, so wag po kayong bibitaw sa bakbakan po ng finals ng Game to po versus Midtown. So standing po natin is pag nanalo po sila ngayong gabi, automatic champion na po sila. So pagka ang nanalo po ang Midtown, so meron pa po tayong Game 3. So abangan niyo po kung sino po yung mananalo sa larong ito. Shoutout po sa ating pong mga viewers po. Yun, shoutout po kay Stephanie Masarap is watching. Yun, pa-comment po ang mga idol kung saan po kayo nanonood para alam ko po kung saan po nakakaabot yung akin pong video. Maraming salamat po. Score po natin 23-20. Baba sa tatlong kalamangan po ng Pinsanity mga naka-block. End of the first quarter. Second quarter na po tayo sa pagbabalik po. Shoutout po kay Koki, kay RJ Maranan. And shoutout din po sa kay Alonica Gabiana Masinsing is watching Tamtakungan. Shoutout din po kay Ma'am Stephanie Masarap is watching. Pa-share po ng ating live. Magandang gabi po. So live na live po tayo ngayon dito sa Takungan, Pililla, Rizal para sa kanila pong SK Summer. Pagkulabol dito po tayo.
The money team save the ball. That's not to GB.
GB now. Up. GB on 3. No.
That's not to Onya for running down. That's not to Ledesma. Forward pass. Attacking pass black. That's now GB running down. GB on the move. GB twice. Not the one save. Well, no. Rebound to Martinez. That's not to GB. GB well played. GB on the move. Looking bound pass to Martinez. 10 seconds to shoot. They still make Rayas. Pass to Oño. Release. Basket scored.
Score points pa yun nyo. Score po natin 23-22. Baba sa isang kalamangan ng mga naka-block. 8 minutes and 15 seconds para sa second quarter. Game now. Discarded yung pumasok! No, backdoor sa Wese.
The number 2. 89 Gagas substitution. Number 20 Arambulo out. Gragas pick up first personal foul. First team foul. 15-9 shooting 2. Basket on first. And it out. That's out to Jama. to Julian, to Onyok, Pinyondan, Pines, no. Rivaldo, by Maripim, to Tarawan, forward pass to Gibby. Oh, some miscommunication.
Go strong. Score po natin 24-22. Abante pa rin po sa dalawang kalabangan ng Insanity. 8 minutes and 29 seconds. Number 12 now, pass to 89. AC Porto, basket. Didlock po tayo. Score po natin, all 24.
Under 8 minutes and 15 seconds ngayon mo naging promo. That's not to JP, bro, playing JP.
JB now, release natin.
Oh, some miscommunication. Substitution. That's not to Onyok. That's not to Julian. Looking for a teammate. Julian now attacking for the pass. No. Rebound. That's now save the ball to Manem team. To Tarawan. To Mac the pro player. Mac on the ball. Mac. Oh, 8 seconds. Backward violation.
8 seconds backcourt violation. Score po natin, Didlock, all 24.
Substitution. Manem team out. That's not to Julian. Pass to Onyok problem. Back to Julian.
Onyok, talibis na. Drop to basket. Ganda ng drop to number 89.
26 24. 2.85 minutes on the reverse speed.
Chance favor tayo. Lamang na po ang Midtown. 24-26 score.
Inside pass to Sergito Otamot. Wrong pass to Lozano. It's a troubling violation.
Force a whistle, traveling violation.
Substitution. Tarawan out. It's not to let us mark with Julian. Wide open Pines, no. Never by Tarawan and hooking. That's not to give me forward pass to Magma. Magma on the ball. Then around wrong pass to Rigma Pines. But good squad. I
Basket,
Tarawan.
number
It's a
21.
deadlock.
Didlock tayo, all 26 score.
It's not to Julian. It's having all the play. Julian now looking, cross court pass to pass to the corner Pines, no, as the block shot, save the ball, 10 seconds to shoot, down pass from the ball Pines, wow, basket is good, look at that, bang, jump pass,
Abante po ng dalawang kalamangan ng Midtown. 26-20. Score po natin. 6 minutes and 27 seconds.
pass to DB on the mob, DB Pines, round pass to Rickman, wow, no, rebound by pass, forward slot to Onyok, Global looking for Singin, pass to Masarap, Shagil now, top double C, he's in, let's now come back, forward pass to Rickman, wow, no, rebound, let's now come back, on the mob, on the mob, no, rebound by Gragas, running down, forward to Ledesma, missile by Sorbito, top double steal, Onyok, wide open pass!
Onyok by 3! Score po natin, 26-31. Ganda ng swabe ng 3 points ni Onyok. Abante po sa 5 ang kalamangan. Ng Midtown. Sa bubog ng 3 points si JB. No. 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Basket! By pass. 3 points. Lumulobo po ang kalamangan. Sa Siyam. 8. Lupo po sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Midtown. 26-34 score po natin. Lamang po ang Midtown. Wala pa rin. Oh, save ball.
Let us out. Gagas out.
Score po
Masarap
natin,
natin.
26-34 in favor of Midtown.
Last 14 seconds.
Abante po sa 8 ang kalamangan ng
14
Midtown.
seconds. Meron mo na shot
4 minutes and 14 seconds.
What a pass!
What a nice pass! 2 points by Pinsanity. Score po natin, 28-34. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Midtown. Na kanina, Lidis Manaw. Pass to Onyo. Masarap. Back to Lidis Ma. Onyo again.
Masarap po
3 points. May masarap.
It's the first 3-point shot.
Balik sa siyamang kalamangan ng Midtown.
As now to Maranana. Give back pass to Mr. Lao. Yes, Avisal. Foul by number. First personal foul, second team foul. Basket on first.
Ayan o, bibigyan ba natin?
Okay na rep. Malit na bagay lang. Okay, second prize.
Hindi naman magkaiba. Okay sana kung iba yung short.
In and out. Rebound back to Dolos ball. Gonna save the ball. They sure be the prize. No. Leaves it to now one times. No. Back to Dolos ball. Gets out to pass. To Ono. Ono back to pass. Well, ball. Pass to pass. Well, pass. Take the ball. About simple. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds na siya ng substitution. Rigma out. Last 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds meron na siya ako. That's not to Ono. Ball pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Cross-court pass. Masarap. Ono to the parking lot. No. Save the ball. That's not to pass. Looking. 10 seconds to shoot. Masarap. Wrong pass. Ball. Symbol.
Symbol. Score po natin,
Last
29-36.
14 seconds to shoot.
Walong
14
points po
seconds
ang kalamangan ng
meron na
Midtown.
siya.
3 minutes and 30 seconds para sa
That's not the pass. Wide open pass. No. Rebound by drop pass. Alright, we said shut up by 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds meron na siya.
Gisayri ang Helices watching, shoutout.
Masarap wide open
Watching,
pass.
shoutout po, idol.
Masarap po.
Shoutout po kay Skitcherman J. Marcialis.
That's not the defense. Holding. Top the ball steal. Where's out the
Onyok na! Up!
It's out for the advantage. Last 3 minutes. Basket. Complete. Last ball position.
Score po natin, 29-42.
Nice shot to
Lobo sa
Ono.
tres ang kalamangan ng Midtown. Onyok by 3, no.
Last 3 minutes exactly on the game number. Our score 42-29.
2 minutes and 57 seconds para sa second quarter. Okay na kanino, number 9. Pass to number 21. No. Ay,
Totoo niya, kumasarap.
restriction, no. Na kanino? Oh. Save by GB now. GB now.
To the parking lot. No.
Shot for red, no.
Spell for the woodpecker. And the Pereira's pick up first personal foul. First team foul. Okay, rather third team foul. May mid-down na.
Ano ka dyan? Baka mawalan. Score po natin 31-42. Baba sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Midtown. 2 minutes and 39 seconds para sa second quarter.
Lebron Fry. Pereira's.
Bola naman na kanilaw. Same ball.
Yes, no. Ronaldo, tumaknak. Esa Michelle. Time out. Midtown Talabers winner.
Time out ang mga kanilaw. Score po natin 31-42. Abante pa rin po sa 11 ang kalamangan ng mga kanilaw. Oras po natin 2 minutes and 21 seconds.
Warning for penalty.
Shout out mga idol, shout out po sa ating mga masisipag na referee. And of course, special thanks to isang guniang kabataan ng Barangay Takungan, Pilipinas. Shout out po kay State Chairman Jim Marshales is watching right now. And of course, shout out po sa masisipag na komite ng isang guniang kabataan ng Takungan. Okay, back to the board po tayo. Easy Porto by Pinsanity. 33-42. Score po natin.
Masarap bro player. Mount pass is official foul by number 14 JB. The first personal foul substitution. Second team foul by Insanity. Asawa.
Mabasa sa iyang ang kalamangan ng mga kanilaw.
Pass, wide open pass. No. Rebound gets up.
Anyok! Easy Porto! Abante sa 11 ang kalamangan ng mga kanilaw.
That's out to JB.
JB now. JB Lord! Basket.
Look at that by JB.
What's the shot? Ganda ng perang doon.
Sa foul.
Ganda ng layup ni JB. Tanawan. Nice. Wasang layup, man.
Complete river play by JB Tanawan.
Shot ang play ni JB. Complete rate. Score natin 26-44.
Pass on the mark, grab pass. About simple. Last 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds. Meron na shot lang. Nice shot. Masarap.
1 minute and 32 seconds para sa second quarter.
Wide open pass. No.
Onyok no.
Nice shot to Sorbito. Running down. Sorbito on the move. Sorbito tries. Long pass. Yes, out to Anya. Forward pass. Yes, out to Pereira's pass. Basket scored.
Basket by number 10. Abante pa rin po sa 10 ang kalamangan ng mga nakadilaw. 36-46 score natin in favor of Midtown. 1 minute, last 1 minute. No. Game now. points by
Last
Jimmy.
47 Jimmy na game plan.
Score po natin 39-46 in favor of Midtown. Baba sa 7 ang kalamangan ng mga Kadilaw. Up.
Save the ball by serving the forward pass. That's off to JB. JB wide open pass. No. Save the ball by Tarawa. Forward pass. Tap the ball. See to JB. Punch the squad. Last 15 seconds. And sa Tendilla. Dancing on the moon. Tendilla from Pasos. Miscommunication.
Miscommunication. Time out ang mga naka-block.
The defending champion.
Score po natin 41-46. Baba po sa 5 ang kalamangan ng mga nakadilaw. Shoutout po sa atin pong mga viewers. Pa-share po ng ating live mga idol. Yon. Grabe, nag-iinit po ang bakbakan ng ating ginto ngayon. So, lumaki man yung kalamangan kanina ng mga naka-yellow team, pero hinahabol ngayon ng mga naka-black team. From 14 points na kalamangan po kanina ng mga nakadilaw, baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ngayon. Oras po natin, 6 seconds.
6 seconds, no more shot ako.
No more shot lang. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng mga nakadilaw.
As out to GP running down. As out to the middle, 5